How do you design learning to enhance the productivity of a multi-generational workforce? Participate in the survey to identify the generation to which you belong from among the ones listed below. Introduction to Intergenerational Consulting. You are a newly hired human performance technology consultant. Your client organization is planning to implement a blended learning strategy to improve the performance of their rapidly changing workforce. You are excited to be a part of the new learning opportunity that helps you master your human performance technology or HPT skills. However, you are a bit concerned, as you need to design learning to enhance the productivity of a multi-generational workforce as a millennial or intergenerational HPT consultant. It is an emerging HPT concept, which is a hot topic of discussion in recent days. This learning module will help you comprehend the key aspects of designing learning to enhance the productivity of a multi-generational workforce. By the end of this module, you will be able to define millennial or intergenerational consulting, identify the personality traits of the 5 different generations of workers, and incorporate the best practices of blended learning to design learning that enhances the productivity of a multi-generational workforce. Definition of intergenerational consulting. Millennial or intergenerational consulting is an emerging HPT concept that assists organizations to restructure the worker's mindset, work process, and organizational structure to successfully achieve their strategic business goals by leveraging the diverse talent of the 5 different generations of workers by 2020. The new concept helps organizations to achieve value-added business results, obtain return on investment, and become sustainable. The management of organizations should ensure to restructure their organization at the operational, tactical, and strategic levels to accommodate the needs of their multi-generational workforce and harness the talent of various generations of employees. They should have a clear comprehension regarding the diverse personalities possessed by the 5 different generations of workers to do so. Significance of intergenerational consultants. Intergenerational consultants play a significant role in assisting organizations to decode the diverse mindset and personality traits of the 21st century workforce. Thereby, organizations can manage the employees that have 5 different personality traits effectively and efficiently by 2020. Please observe the infographic carefully. It shows the Bureau of Labor Statistics employment projections of a multi-generational workforce ranging from 2005 to 2020. According to Meister and Willard, 2009, the BLS has categorized them under 5 different generations based on their year of birth. It has been estimated that millennials will comprise 50% of the workforce in organizations by the year 2020, the preferred mode of communication of a multi-generational workforce. Please observe the infographic carefully. It illustrates the 5 different generations of workers based on their year of birth, along with their preferred mode of communication. JagDeep 2016. Personality traits of traditionalists.
Hi. I am a traditionalist. We are the eldest generation of workers that have a traditional mindset. We are well known as the write-to-me generation, as writing is our preferred mode of communication. We like to access training materials such as workbooks and handbooks. We strongly believe in hard work. We derive self-satisfaction by sharing our vast workplace knowledge, experience, and skills with our younger counterparts via mentoring and coaching.
Personality traits of baby boomers.
Hi. I am a baby boomer. We are the next eldest generation of workers as compared to the traditionalists. We are well known as the call me generation, as we prefer oral communication at work. We like to access training materials such as audio books and audio clips. We are workaholics and believe in equality. We are eager to try new avenues to reinvent our profession.
Personality traits of Generation X.
Hi. I belong to Generation X. We are chronologically younger than the previous 2 generations. We are well known as the email me generation, as we prefer a shortened form of written communication at work. We are less formal in nature than the previous generations. We are very hands-on and prefer on-the-job training compared to formal training. We tend not to accept the opinion of our supervisors or managers blindly without reasoning or questioning.
Personality traits of millennials. Hi. I am a millennial. We are the next younger generation to Generation X. We are well known as a text-made generation, as we are tech-savvy and prefer a very informal and extremely short form of written communication at work. We do not respect or listen to our supervisors just by virtue of their designation. We tend to question the authority of our superiors and expect a lot of freedom at work. We are good at multitasking and nonconformists. Personality traits of Generation 2020. Hi. I belong to Generation 2020. We are almost similar to Millennials, but more tech-savvy as compared to them. We are well known as a connect-with-me generation. We learn well when new information is provided in bite-sized bits using both audio and visual formats. We enjoy communicating and connecting with our colleagues on various social media platforms. Best practices for designing learning to enhance productivity among diverse generations. Intergenerational consultants can help organizations manage the diverse personalities of an emerging 21st century workforce to develop, retain, and harness their talent by incorporating the following best practices while designing learning to enhance their productivity at work. Mentoring and coaching the younger generations. The traditionalists and baby boomers should be encouraged to transmit their vast knowledge, skills, and work experience to the younger generation through mentoring and coaching. This will help the diverse generations of employees to be acquainted with one another instead of being isolated. Thereby, it results in better communication and collaboration among diverse generations by exchange of thoughts and ideas related to workplace best practices. It leads to knowledge management and succession planning, as the experienced workers can train and prepare the future leaders of their organization prior to their exit from the workforce. Finally, they experience a sense of self-satisfaction by being able to channelize their vast knowledge and experience appropriately, while the men can obtain timely feedback regarding their performance. Collaboration and teamwork with diverse generations. The management of organizations should encourage the employees of diverse generations to form teams and collaborate with each other to complete various projects at work. These techniques will assist employees with diverse personalities to cooperate with each other. They will also be able to learn from the strengths of their teammates along with compensating for their own weaknesses. Thereby, they pave the way for better communication and help workers with different personalities to get along well in spite of their diversity. Job flexibility and autonomy to retain diverse talent. The management of organizations should provide job flexibility and a certain amount of autonomy by allowing their employees to work remotely or from home by leveraging the advancement of technology to help them establish and maintain a work-life balance. This will enhance the loyalty of younger generations for their organization. They also perform well when they feel trusted and are not micromanaged by their supervisors. Informal and mobile learning, gamification, and reverse mentoring. The younger generations learn well when they have access to just-in-time and on-the-job informal learning opportunities in the form of short scenario-based learning modules on their mobile devices. They enjoy learning new skills through gamification, which provides hands-on experience in a virtual reality environment, as they are tech-savvy. They derive self-satisfaction when they have an opportunity to transmit their tech-savvy knowledge and skills to the elder generations by reverse mentoring. Social media learning, job rotation, and constructive feedback. The younger generations learn effectively by reading short-form blog posts that are posted on various social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, along with watching how-to videos on YouTube and Vimeo. Therefore, organizations should establish and maintain an informal community of practice database on such social media platforms. This will help the experienced employees to update the database regularly by writing blog posts and uploading work-related videos to share their thoughts and ideas related to various work processes. The less experienced and/or new employees can learn the best practices related to a work process by reading such blog posts and watching related videos. They can also post their comments and questions to seek further clarification. Job rotation helps the younger generations and new employees to obtain hands-on experience by working in various departments of an organization. Managers should ensure to provide constructive feedback to help the younger and new employees gain confidence and improve their performance at work. Bringing it all together. We can conclude that millennial or intergenerational consulting is an emerging HPT concept that assists organizations design learning to enhance the productivity of a multi-generational workforce. It reduces the clash of the multi-generational workforce and increases collaboration and coordination. Thereby, organizations can leverage the strength of a diverse workforce to obtain return on investment and become sustainable, instead of dwindling from its weakness by implementing effective blended learning strategies. References